Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey guys, we got awesome recipe coming at you tonight. It's a sweet treat. You're gonna like it. We are gonna do a Buckeye roll. A what? A Buckeye roll. So, gonna start out, with 3 eggs. We don't want the shell in there. Yeah. Those awesome egg cracking skills, guys. Wouldn't expect anything less, right? But it's great to be back with you guys. Starting to get a little cold up here in the Eastern Hemisphere. But we're going to blend these eggs for about 3 minutes until they're foamy. And there's no use in you sitting here listening to the mixer. So I'll be right back. Alright. Now guys, our eggs are nice and fluffy. We're going to throw in half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and we're going to throw in some sugar.
How much sugar is that?
That is 2/3 of a cup, buddy. And we're going to blend this together. It's a little quieter with this stuff. It's quite noisy with just the eggs in it. But we like being back with you guys. And that's nice and combined there. Oh yeah. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. All right, now we're going to throw in 3, some cocoa, Hershey's cocoa. 3/4, reburned flour, there it goes. 3/4 cups of flour, minus what I just threw on the table here. Cloud of dust. Whoop! All right. And we're going to throw in a teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to blend this till it's just combined, guys. Okay? Stay back, Crunch. It's flying away, buddy. Danger, danger, Will Robinson. Oh, yeah. Nothing like chocolate. Chocolate is amazing. Even if it's cocoa. You know what? And maybe next week we'll go ahead and do a tiramisu for you. Alright. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and throw this in a 10 by 15, 11 by 15 baking pan. We got our oven, it's preheating on 350. Yeah, parchment paper. I was looking for my butter spray, but I don't know where it's at. But it's parchment paper, we should be alright. Usually, trying to get chocolate all over. Okay. We're just gonna put this batter right in there, guys. It's a delicioso. Winter time's coming, guys. I mean, it's fall, but you know what happens? Usually where we're at, it goes right from, autumn to winter. There ain't no fall about it. Snow, snow, snow.
Or 80-degree weather.
Oh yeah, yeah. And we'll wash that out in a little bit because we're gonna need that to do our filling. Just spread it around, guys. Even as you can. It's almost like a pumpkin roll. But this is a Buckeye roll. A Buckeye roll. And we're only gonna cook this in the oven, guys, for about 10 minutes. So while this is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and work on our filling. All right. We'll slow on that. I don't do a lot of dessert, so I had a request for some dessert. We're gonna make some dessert. And that time of year. Good sweet stuff. Throw this in the oven for about 10 minutes, guys. Let me wash up my dishes. Be right back with the filling now. Here we got 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of peanut butter. We're going to use 2 cups of powdered sugar. That stuff's almost dead as flour, guys. Get this out of the oven. I got a hand for it. Because I was touching. Touch. We're going to let that cool. And I didn't have whole milk. It calls for 1/4 cup. So this is thick. I'm only doing just a hair under a 1/4 cup. Okay. We're going to set it aside to our roll. Job, don't you? Can't tell you what's going to happen here, buddy. The butter's going for a ride. I should have broke out my big mixer. Blend this together, guys. Go crazy, crazy. As soon as we get that button going, we'll be in good shape. Uh-oh. There, I lost the beater. Fun. Uh-oh, there it goes again. Woohoo! Peanut butter ever.
I need to get a new mixer.
We're having technical difficulties here, guys. There we go. Put the yellow light over here. See that, guys? Oh, this thing. Oh. We're just blending it till it's good. I like that. Yeah, next time we'll break out the big mixer, guys. It's dying, it's dying. Alright, so this is nice and creamy now. And look, it's standing way back in the other room. That's funny. Alright. Now I think we're in good shape. Alright, guys. Well, there's your filling. All right, I'm going to cover this up, and we'll be back as soon as this is cooked. We'll get it all together for you guys. All right, guys. It's cooled enough to take out of the pan. So now we're just going to dust it with some of that cocoa. Oh, yeah. You can also, I mean, if you like milk chocolate, you could also use, don't say that I said this, Nesquik. All right. So we are going to roll this up. You want to do this while it's still warm. It's easier to handle that way. Uh-oh. We'll have to fix that later.
Mission failed. We'll get it next time.
That's all right. But we're going to roll this up and we're going to let it cool, guys. After it's cooled, we'll be back and get that taken care of. See you in a little bit. Hey, guys. Welcome back. We are putting the filling in here. Oh, yeah. You know, hopefully we let it cool enough. You guys are gonna like this. Stuff's amazing. Beats a pumpkin roll any day. See how creamy that stuff is, guys? Oh yeah. So you buy those ones in the store. Charlie ain't filling. That's why you come and see the Reaper. We're gonna put some filling in there. Oh yeah, baby. That would be the secret that we're doing for you folks. Sitting there and chirping away. Uh-oh. A lot of weight there. A lot of weight there, guys. Give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, guys. This is really moist. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to drizzle some chocolate over this. It's still got to cool. Just a little bit. What are you laughing at over there, guys?
I don't know. I'm tired. I laugh at everything.
All right. And this is just chocolate melt, guys. It's good stuff. Actually, I was going to do peanut butter drizzle. And she's like, no. But I had this on a cooling rack. That way the chocolate can drip down. Okay? And whatever you don't use, you can put it back in the freezer. All right. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to let that sit a little bit. Let it cool some more. But you know what? I can't resist. I have to put a cherry on top.
Oh, and it's a cherry.
Just for giggles. Because why? I like cherries.
I thought that was strawberry sauce.
Alright, but give us a little bit, let the chocolate set. We'll get it sliced up, guys, and we'll get it on a plate. Alright, guys, our chocolate's set up. We're going to go ahead and slice a piece of this for Gunchy. Oh, yeah. So, uh-oh, that's a Reaper Keeper. Oh, whoops. Well, there you go, Gunch. There's a piece for Gunchy. But there it is, guys. Buckeye roll. I'd like to thank you for being with us again on Heavy Metal Chef. God bless, and we'll see you next time.